Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how we can disable or stop autocorrection when we are texting someone. So I'm using currently Gboard on my WhatsApp, Instagram, or whichever I want to type something on my Android mobile. See, this is my currently this is the Gboard, which is Google keyboard what I'm using. And sometimes when I text someone, especially not in English, in my own language, Google try to autocorrect that sentence, and again I need to delete the text, and again I need to uh, type the same thing, and then I need to send them. So at some point of time, this autocorrection may be a bit making me do things twice. So how we can disable or how we can stop it if we require that action? So first you need to go to Google keyboard settings. To do that, press and hold on this symbol. Okay, I'll again show you. Just beside this numerics, this one emoji symbol, press and hold, and go to this gear icon and leave now. This will directly open Google settings, and here there is an option called text correction. And see here, right now the auto correction is enabled, but there is one more option. Just to disable it, there is one more chance, means undo autocorrect on backspace. So this is the best option. Just to not to disable this, we can keep it like that, and we can enable this, so that whenever we want the same text without correction, just with this backspace, just with this one click, Google will keep the same word. Means we typed something and Google corrected it, and when we use this backspace, Google will keep the same previous word without auto correction. Even if it corrects, when we click on this button, it will undo the action. So yes, again I'll go to the settings. I'll just press, I'll go to settings and leave it here, and I will enable this. If you don't want, you can directly disable this option. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.